friends, welcome to Tech Solutions. As we all know that Microsoft IE 11 has announced the retirement from 15 June 2022. So this is the reason we should start using Microsoft Edge and we should start exploring the features in Microsoft Edge. So today we will learn another cool feature of Microsoft Edge, that is web capture. We can call it as a snipping tool for a web, which will help us to take a screenshot of a web page. So let's learn. Let me open the Microsoft Edge. So on this page, if you want to take a screenshot of this page, just go to right top corner, settings, and select web capture. It has a shortcut Control Shift yes. So as soon as you clicked on it, now we can take a screenshot of this web page. Like this. Copy it, it's copied. Now we have copied it, we can paste it anywhere. This web capture, or we can call it as a snipping tool, will work only on the web page in Microsoft Edge. So let me just minimize this size of this page. If I click on web capture, this is enabled here, but as soon as we go out of this page, we cannot take a capture, we cannot take a screenshot. And that's what it works on the web page only in Microsoft Edge, which is very good feature where we don't need to open the screen capture, screenshot, or snipping tool. So that's it from this tutorial, friends. Please subscribe our channel and keep supporting us.